Brazil spreads into the Gulf of Mexico, where the skyline's colored by chemical plants put bread on the table of the working man, where the working man does his best to provide safety and shelter for kids and wife, giving a little of the soul every day, making overtime to keep the wolves away. I was barely 13 when the company man tried to dig my daddy's grave. It happened on a French foreign tanker ship, spilling poison in Galveston Bay. Well, the liquid fire filled his lungs and his eyes, silenced any mortal cries. Cold as the grave, death, sting and pain, he fought like hell to keep the wolves away. Sick as a dog, but it made recovery just despite the odds. The settlement came and we moved out of town where the sky is and heavy with the fiery clouds. Yeah, he's still alive, he's doing good, he's in his 60s, but the money's running out. He's reaching for pennies, so I'm going for broke with every song I play, 'cause now it's my turn to keep the wolves away. Thank you.